Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey girl, hey. I decided to come back with a car video. So you already know when it's a car video, it's a what's in my bag Vlogmas edition. So before I get out the car, I figured I'm about to run in Target. Let me get this video out the way. So guys, today I am carrying my Chanel 19. She is so beautiful in this beautiful gray color with the gold hardware, gold and silver hardware. All the Chanel 19s have this color as far as I know right now, where the top handle is gold and then the crossbody strap or shoulder strap has this bulky chain, and it's in the gold and the silver with the leather strap on the top so it doesn't hurt your shoulder because this chain is pretty bulky. Yes, and that's what I fell in love with. When I seen this bag when it came out, I fell in love with the bulky chain, the bulky top handle, and the mixed metals. That's what I really love about this bag. And this is the size medium. Yeah, this is a medium. They do have one smaller than this one. They have one larger than this. So this is the one that's in between, the medium size. And I love her. You can definitely fit a lot in here. And I do have a bag organizer in here. I think I got it from Amazon. So I will definitely link it in my Amazon storefront. So you can click the link below and check that out if you're looking for a bag organizer. And where I got the bag organizer from, they have a lot of different organizers. This is not a sponsorship. I'm just telling you guys that the bag organizer is pretty good. So let's jump right into what's in my Chanel 19. So it has the regular turn handle, little lock or whatever, and it just flips right open. So let's see what I got. So right on the top, I just ran out the house and I threw in my Fenty lip gloss. I will link this one below. This is not sponsored. I'll just link it below because this is one of my favorite lippies from Fenty. I have my Gucci Bloom. This is the travel size that I got from Sephora. And this bottle is so cute. And I just started wearing this like yesterday. Here it is. Can y'all see that? Gucci Bloom. And it smells so good. This is like the roll-on. And it smells so good. And put some more on. Smells good. Cute little travel size. And I just thought the box was cute, so that's why I kept it. I keep it in the box because the box is so cute. You just stick it in there and you have it. All right. And of course I have my key fob and my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. So yeah. So I'm still on a hunt for the Chanel 4 key holder. So this is the 6-ring, and this is my key fob, and then I have keys inside of here, and I think I do have, it's a card slot in here too, and I do have like a membership card in here. And of course, you already know you don't leave home without it. Your backup battery if you're going to be out, especially holidays, and for my vloggers who vlog on their phones or just Instagrammers when you're always on the go. You know your battery's always running low. So you want to get you a Apple charger if you have the MagSafe case, and it just works so good. So always have to carry this. Keep this on deck. And you can recharge this with your car charger. And my Touchland hand sanitizer. So you guys can also get this at my Amazon storefront. This is, they have all different flavors. I think one is sold out. I can't remember what flavor it is, but I love all the scents from this Touchland. I even have some Disney ones. I'm going to pack those when I go on vacation. So I may stop at Disney World. And then I have my mom badge where I keep my driver's license and a few other permits and things like that. And then in here I have, this is my toiletry 19. No, not 19. This is the 15. Yeah, this is the one I use the most. the toiletry 15. I do have a 19 and a 26. And then I just have like a hair tie, Vaseline, chewing gum, headache medication like Tylenol, and in here I have Tylenol and Benadryl. Here is the small little Vaseline. This is so adorable, y'all. But the only thing about this is I don't like sticking my fingers in here when I'm out. So I think I should carry like a little Q-tip and use this. I like to use this like here because I swear in the wintertime my hands always are so ashy and dry. I don't care how many times I sleep with those little mitts on. In the wintertime my skin just gets like super dry. I need to drink more water. I think that's what it is. So yeah, that's what's in there. And then I have my YSL AirPod case. This is so cute. I love how it has like, you can put keys on here, but I don't. You can clip it on your pants. This is super duper cute. And it's just my AirPod Pros fits in here. And it has a little hole in the bottom where you can charge without having to take it out the case. And then the organizer has like a couple zippers where I have my YSL card holder. When I tell y'all, out of all the card holders I have, like small compact ones like this one fits the most. Okay, I don't know what it is about YSL, how this thing stretched out, but let me tell y'all something. I have over 7 cards in here. It's probably more than 7, but YSL hands down. I love it. And of course, you know, your girl got to carry her Chanel compact mirror in the beautiful red and black color. And I always keep the case. I want to see if I can find another color. Maybe the yellow. That would be cute. And then I just have some cash because it is holiday time and you never know. You might want to pick up a small little gift for someone unexpectedly, or pay for gas with cash because you never know. Okay, so I do have some Bath and Body Work. I think this is this Bath and Body Work? I think it is. Hand cream. It just says shea butter hand cream. Maybe this is not Bath. Oh, yeah, it is Bath and Body Work. And this is the shea butter hand cream. Smells good. I think I got this last year. I think somebody gifted that to me. Maybe my nail tech. And then I just have my Dior Lippy, which I got. My husband bought me one of those small little gift sets. I will link the short up here. You can watch that if you haven't seen it. It was like $80 and it came with 2 lippies and a little hand lotion and then a super cute velvet navy blue pouch. Super duper cute for $80. You can't beat it. So I think that is it. Okay, so I'm going to take out the organizer, and this is how it looked. I got it in the gray color. The organizer has a zipper pocket, and then it has 2 separate pockets. And I think I might have paid like $20 for this organizer, and it actually comes with 2, the same size, same shape. And this can fit in another bag as well. I think one of my tote bags. I'm not sure. But here it is, $20. You cannot beat it. It was less than $30. I know that. But some of these places where they sell these organizers are like super expensive, not worth the money. And this is the inside of the bag, empty. It has a zipper pocket here. There's nothing in here. And this is just like the little just a little Chanel logo. I still have plastic on here. I'm gonna take it off. Look. Let's get this off. Plastic. Ooh. And then on this side is the little chip. Can y'all see that? That's the chip, because they don't come with the little certificate cards anymore. They're all chipped up, so I guess you can scan it or something. I have no idea how this chip system works. I know when you purchase your bag in Chanel, You go onto the Chanel website, you scan the QR code on your receipt, and you register your bag. And I guess that's how they verify your bag, or that's how you keep up with your warranty, because your bags do come with a warranty. And if you register your bag and something happens to your bag, they will honor your warranty. I don't know how that works if you buy a bag pre-loved from Chanel. I have no idea how the warranty will work, because if somebody else registered a bag, how are you supposed to get it repaired? I have no clue. So, yeah. I have no clue. So, guys, that is it for this What's in My Bag Vlogmas edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy Vlogmas. I hope you watch my day one video. I will link it up here in the cards, somewhere up here or down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to help my channel keep growing. I really appreciate all my supporters, all my citizens. Hey, girl, hey. And that will be it until tomorrow. Peace. All right, now I got to get my thumbnail. Better hurry up. I don't have any light. It's so windy out here. It's crazy. I'm going to put everything back. Now I can get my thumbnail. Still a little light on me. Oh no, that's too bright. Let's leave it like that. Put my seat back. Chanel. Okay. I think I got it.